the curved seam. So we're going to start out with our 2 pieces of fabric, just as we did with our point. But this one I am going to give you a curved pattern, and we're going to take this shape, put it on our fabric, use our pencil, and trace that top edge of the pattern piece. So this is going to be our stitch line. From there, we will take the see-through ruler and find the edge of our seam allowance. We'll continue to use the 1-inch seam allowance. So I am going to kind of tick off at 1 inch my seam allowance across the top. So 1 inch is from here to the middle of the ruler. So I'm going to kind of tick off 1 inch around that top edge, and I'm going to trim that edge. So then I have a stitch line here, and I have just simply my 1 inch seam allowance above that line. Okay, stitch line, seam allowance. This is my wrong side. This is my right side. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing to my other piece of fabric. This I don't need anymore. My pattern. I'm just basically matching the bottom edge here just for convenience. I'm going to center it, run my pencil along the top edge, tick off my inch, and trim. Okay, that's trash. Okay, so I've got my 2 pieces. I don't need my pattern anymore. Now, got these 2 pieces. They are going to go together, right? Right sides together. Wrong sides on the outside. I'm going to flip them so the extra fabric is on the left side for sewing purposes. And I will pin up. So stab it through, move it over, pin up. Stab it through. Ooh, wow, what luck. Pin it through. Stab it through. Okay, so there is the pinning.